Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you what's inside of a Tomei oil pump for the RB26. Now get all these screws out and you lift it up. This is the back side of it. You can see it's a very porous kind of design, but at the same time when you lift it up, be careful because there's a dowel pin right there and a dowel pin right there, so it makes it kind of tough to get it out. So this is the stock Tomei oil pump gears, which most people have never seen inside, but for all you 26 owners out there, it is already spline drive. But do you trust this, or would you just go ahead and get the supertech spline drive kit? Since it's already spline drive, it would just slide right in. I don't trust this little piece, so I'm going to end up getting the supertech kit and get rid of these dog ear flat engagements. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I saw one video where one dude warped this piece from all the hammering and everything. Blew my mind, and I didn't believe him, so I had to tear my pump apart just to confirm it. But yeah, spline drive kit, here I come. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about what's going on. I'll take a few kind of quick Tomei.